Hi, good morning. This is Vin and welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, nandito pa rin tayo sa UP Village / Teachers Village. Okay. So, ito yung community. Pakita ko muna. Yan. Okay. So, dito, ang available is itong unit B at saka ito. So ito is 19.8 million. Then ito is 22.8 million. Konti lang naman yung difference. The difference is yung lot area and yung floor area. Lot area nito around 105, yun 100 square meter. Yung floor area 260, ito nasa 280 square meter. So same lang na 2-car garage. Pansinin nyo to, may isang naka-park. So ganun. Ito kasi nakapark pero hindi nakasagad eh. So 2-car garage to ito. Good for 2 SUVs pwede. Kaya no? Okay, sige. Pasok tayo sa loob. Kuya, pasok na po ako ha. Thank you. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko, hindi nakasagad kasi yung yung pag-park. Okay. Covered na rin po yung inyong garage. Okay. So dito sa ating ground floor, open concept siya for your living, dining. Then ito yung kitchen area nyo. Yan. Okay. So meron tayo ditong powder room for visitors, and then meron tayo ditong service area. Then dito po yung ating maid's quarter. Ayan. So yung ating kasambahay, kahit po may edad na, hindi na po kailangan umakyat ng 3rd floor. Right? May sarili din po siyang toilet and bath. Okay? Okay, so ito yung ating ground floor for living, dining, and kitchen area. Right? Aka tayo sa ating second floor. Isa sa gusto ko dito sa property is malalaki yung kwarto niya. Then, lahat merong private bathroom. Okay? Tapos, meron pa kayong family area din, every floor. See this, okay? Tol, hindi ko alam kung alin ang master's bedroom. Pero malamang yan, nasa 2nd or 3rd na may balcony. Okay? Provision for window type. Ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Ito yung space for this bedroom. Okay, so may built-in cabinets. Then meron kayo dito call this air well. Okay, so for ventilation na rin po. Yan. So ito, first option for master bedroom. Master bedroom kasi ayun, may balcony. Ito pala may walk-in closet din. Yan. Si toilet and bath din, nandito yung kanyang cabinet. Walk-in closet. Okay? So again, ito yung space for master bedroom. Let's go sa ating 3rd floor. Almost the same lang naman po. Okay? Yan. Pakakita mo. Parang halos same lang. Or same lang talaga doon sa ating 2nd floor kanina. Okay. Ito yung first bedroom dito. Meron din siyang air well. Meron dito for natural light. yung bedroom dito. Ayan, meron ding balcony. And same nga lang. Ayan, ito yung toilet and bath. Okay. Tapos, ayan, may walk-in closet din. So, it's up to you na po. Doon sa mga kabili kung alin ang gagawin yung masters. Kung yung kwarto sa second floor or third floor. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Again, yung unit 4 is 19.8. Itong pinasok ko, 22.8 million. Disclaimer lang, pwede pong magbago yan. Anytime, no? Without prior notice. Depende po sa may-ari. Okay? So, if interested kayo to secure the property, to secure the price, message lang. My number is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Mobile, Viber, and WhatsApp ready na rin. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.